Coronavirus has brought the world's richest and most powerful countries to their knees. The US is scrambling for masks, test kits and even ventilators. It has the most number of active cases right now, but it seems name-calling is the closest Donald Trump has gotten to taking action. Now, thousands of Americans are in peril, but the US president is more concerned about his own TV ratings. This story is about the cost of Donald Trump's misplaced priorities.
From a hoax that was being politicized.
Now the Democrats are politicizing the coronavirus. And this is their new hoax.
To a flu that would disappear soon.
View this the same as the flu. When somebody sneezes, I try and bail out as much as possible. It's going to disappear. One day, it's like a miracle. It will disappear.
The President of the United States of America spent 2 months denying that the coronavirus was a serious threat. He let the beaches in Florida function as usual. And the restaurants in Texas serve beer and steak. Today, the country has the highest number of active cases in the world, 143,000 and counting. The United States is facing an emergency of epic proportions.
This is out of control. We've lost control completely.
This is Diana Torres, a nurse at a New York hospital who says the country's healthcare system is collapsing. The frontline medics face the biggest risk.
This is out of control. We've lost control completely. We can't contain it anymore because we can't even raise a flag and a concern to stop it, to take care of it. It's all over the place.
With over 52,000 cases, every hospital in New York is filled to the brim with coronavirus patients. It's equally bad in the 213 cities across America. The world's richest country has run out of masks.
We are all getting infected. So clearly something is missing. We have failed to protect ourselves and protect each other. We have floors that are missing most of their staff already because they're sick enough to have to stay home.
91.5% of American cities do not have an adequate supply of face masks for first responders. 92.1% do not have adequate test kits. 85% do not have ventilators, and 62.4% have not received any emergency equipment or supplies from their state. The safety of every American is under threat. But the US president is busy celebrating his astounding TV ratings. For Trump, this pandemic makes up for fabulous television. In a series of tweets, he compared the ratings of his official briefings to primetime sitcoms. Trump's optimism in the face of death is outrageous. What's even more outrageous is the fact that 200,000 deaths due to the virus is a good number for the US president.
So you're talking about 2.2 million deaths, 2.2 million people from this. And so if we could hold that down, as we're saying, to 100,000, it's a horrible number. Maybe even less, but to 100,000. So we have between 100 and 200,000. We all together have done a very good job. But 2.2 up to 2.2 million deaths, and maybe even beyond that, I'm feeling very good about what we did last week.
From downplaying the virus, Trump has now got down to normalizing the pandemic.
But you're going to lose more people by putting a country into a massive recession or depression. You're going to lose people. You're going to have suicides by the thousand.
This indifference and willful neglect could spell catastrophe for an already struggling United States of America. Bureau Report, WION World is One.